Okay, so this is the setup for the Rolling to Fight Hunger Lab. And you should have kind of come up with a ramp. I have my wood ramp. You may have used cardboard or like a board game, whatever. But you just need to have your height established. And you want this to be somewhat rigid, so if you have to put supports under here to make sure that your like ramp isn't like wonky as the thing's rolling down, do that. And then you want to make sure that there's a relatively smooth transition from your ramp to the floor. And then you're going to tape your measuring tape. The 0 centimeter mark will be when the can actually kind of hits the floor here. So for me, I had a pretty significant difference of height of my ramp, so I had to put some cardstock here. So my measuring tape actually starts here. And then you do want to mark off where the 50 centimeter mark is, because that is, you're going to measure how long does it take for the can to roll 50 centimeters, and then you'll just do a simple distance divided by time calculation to get a velocity. You do want to have like your online stopwatch in the background on your computer, and then you'll have your phone set up to be able to like view the whole thing. And I just kind of put it right here. I lined it up with my 50 centimeter mark, so it'll be hopefully easier for me to distinguish when the ball, like, it's easy for me on my video to see it when it leaves the ramp, but then it'll also help me to know when I've crossed that 50 centimeter mark, okay? So you are gonna pick a set height to drop it from, so you can like make a little mark here. I'm just gonna go ahead and drop it, like I know I'm gonna drop it from like where this ledge is, and I'm gonna have like the center of my mass be at that point. You want to make sure that you drop it straight, so don't drop it at an angle. You want it to roll down here. You want it to roll down as smoothly as possible, okay? So sequence of events, kind of tricky. You're gonna wanna press start on your stopwatch, press start on your slow-mo video, come over here and release it, okay? So here I go. Oh, golly. Too much time, okay. And then you'll do it 2 more times with the refried beans. And one thing I would recommend, I didn't do this in mine, is like putting like a pillow or something here so that it doesn't roll off and hit something and get dented. So again, you're gonna do it with the refried beans 3 times. You're gonna do it with the hollow can 3 times, and then with the chicken broth 3 times. And so you'll end up with 3 times for each can for distances. So you can get 3 velocities, and then average the velocities 3 times for the hollow, the liquid, and you'll get those velocities. And then you can do your analysis, okay?